Hey, good afternoon YouTube. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and today we're going to be checking out a rental property not far from actually where I live. This is in the area bordering Sibulan and Pulang Tubig. Pulang Tubig means red water, and it's a kind of unique and really interesting rental property, and I'm going to check. So this is the exterior, obviously, and this is one of the gates. And you got a couple CRs over there. Each of the apartments has its own CR. Then you got your water tank over there, and you got a nice mango tree. Yeah. And I guess on this area, they're going to be building more units. Now these are unique. They're definitely unique. Matter of fact, I saw this on OLX, and I was like, wow, I've never seen anything like this before. So we're going to be checking it out. They're 2 bedrooms, and they're 1 bedrooms. The 1 bedrooms are 6,000, the 2 bedrooms are 10,000, and it's made from all native material. I don't see any concrete except in the floors, and I stand corrected, it's the lower walls. So this is one of the units here. This is a 1 bedroom. You got your Nipa, so it's nice and cool. It's actually got the same door as our bathroom on the CR. You don't have a dedicated shower. The shower's right there. So, typical Filipino shower. And when you take a shower, the whole bathroom gets soaked. And you get the things here. You got a bunk bed. And I guess you'd have your TV. You set up a sofa or something here. So this is 6,000 pesos. Fire extinguisher, it's important. They also have internet available. You gotta sign up. Electricity and water are good. This is another unit. It's another 1 bedroom, so you can see how big the bedroom is. Pretty good size. Unfortunately, we don't have any light. Oh, there's some light. And there's the aircon. It's all Jalise windows. And a lot of native wood. Looks like there's a queen size, full-size bamboo frame here. Another fire extinguisher. Some of the units have refrigerators. She told me some of them work, some of them don't work. So, you never know. But just the way this is all set up is really cool. I've never seen anything quite like this. It's unique. Here's another one. Refrigerator. Panasonic. And there's the bedroom and the bath. Now, kitchen area with a microwave. Definitely unique. I think there's 6 total units. It's definitely tigers protecting you. Anybody tries to break in, the tiger gets them. It's quiet, this area. Doesn't seem to be any burning trash going on, which is nice. Although there is a pile over there. Because I don't think they have trash services out here. Out this far. But yeah, this is groovy. I think under different circumstances, different area, and different setup, it would be freaking really cool. So 6,000 pesos for the 1 bedroom units, and 10,000 pesos for the 2 bedrooms. And yeah, you're not in Kansas anymore. This is going native. It's interesting to see what the offerings are when it comes to real estate, whether you're renting houses or apartments. Dumaguete, the prices are starting to go up a little bit on the rentals from what I've been seeing, but still a lot less than what you pay in the United States. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and I'll see you